Hello again, this is Jeff Hudgens with Ability Lock and Key. I'm standing here at a 2013 Dodge Dart. Right now the customer has this key right here. The problem with this is when they put it into the door to unlock the vehicle, the alarm goes off. And the alarm can only be disabled once you put it in the ignition. So what they need me to make today is this key so that they can disable the alarm by pushing a button before they open the door. Don't want to be waking up your neighbors anymore. So let's show you how that works. So right now, to stop the alarm, I have to put this in and turn the ignition. So the alarm immediately goes off. So we're going to put this key in and we're going to program it to the vehicle. First off, I got to read a PIN number. This could take up to 60 seconds, it says. So, hey, the video would be a little long waiting for the PIN number to pop up, but that's just the process I have to go through. Again, these keys have an advantage to them as far as, being damaged by water and all. They can't be. It's a completely sealed off key, and even the chip inside is a ceramic chip. So there's no problem there. Whereas this other key, sorry for the background noise, this other key is the chip is on a circuit board, and if it gets wet, you're gonna have problems with it. So we're about to pull up our PIN code here. We're about 20% from getting there. I'll write this down so I won't forget it. Okay. Back out of that screen, go to this one. Turn on the emergency lights. PIN number. Insert that. And it says success. So let's take this key out. Turn the emergency flashers off. Let's close the door and see if it works. There it is. So now we open the door, no alarm. Now we'll test and see if it starts the car. Okay, so now we have two working keys to this vehicle. And we no longer have a problem with the alarm going off each time the door is open. So remember, you can't change the past, so live for today and plan for tomorrow.